Hidden in the white petals of a daisy, you can see a small yellow spider. This is a female flower crab spider of the genus Thomisus. Some species of crab spiders have the ability to change their colors for camouflage over the time span of a few days. They can change their colors between white, yellow, and pink to better suit the flower they are inhabiting. Flower crab spiders do not use webs to catch their prey, but instead hide on flowers to grab approaching insects. In this case, an African honeybee, apismelifera. Since they do not have teeth, they cannot chew their meals and instead rely on enzymes in their venom to externally digest their prey. This liquefies the internal organs of the prey and allows them to suck it up like a smoothie. You can see this female is enjoying her honeybee smoothie. If you look closely, you can see a small brown spider sitting on her abdomen. This is a male flower crab spider. He is looking for the chance to mate with her. Here you can see another male approaching, but he is too late. The first male has already taken his claim.